fellers and fellerettes, we need to kind of go over what our plans are and how we're going to go about doing our plans. So this is how I want the bike to sit. Now, if you notice, the angle of the down tube or down stem is quite sharp, and so if we ran it like that, the forks would be almost straight up and down, and that wouldn't necessarily be very good for geometry and, well, our look that we're going for. So if you have a look right here, this is basically in the middle of the back section, and the frame is pretty much a teardrop. And if you was to take the frame and flip the frame upside down, it would have the correct angle to do what we want. So that's how we're going to achieve our chopper dirt bike kind of look. Start to see what I'm after. Now we're gonna have to cut all of these mounts here to make them work, but yeah, we'll clearance that and it'll fit. She's coming along. Who'd have thought? Upside down frame. Huh.